Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I had an idea. And the first sleeper that I did, I laid my little Zuru baby out and drew around, and it came out like this. And then I took it to the sewing machine, and I thought, that's not right. So I laid him out again and made it more realistically. I straightened his arm, pulled his leg down, and left seam allowance, or I hope I did in here. I don't know, we'll see in a minute. And then I cut out this little, oh, that neck's too big, I can tell already, doggone it, let's see. Seems so tiny when I was cutting it. I have not sewn tiny in a very long time. No, that'll be all right once I get the Velcro in there. I haven't sewn tiny in a very long time. I go over the machine and I chuckled. I told Darren, I said, okay, here I go with no dexterity, a bum wrist, and and
And a machine that's giving you troubles.
yeah, sewing machine giving me troubles, and I'm going to sew for a micro baby. So let's see how this comes out. Well, there's my first go. What would I change? These need to be shorter and wider. The arms aren't bad. I even got a hem on that and the neckline. Getting them in there was interesting. They are silicone. This could be a little tighter, but I don't know that I want it to be. For a first go, I'm okay with it. It looks better in person than on camera, I can tell you that. I think it needs a clasp for the back, of course, but I can't decide how I want to do that yet. But Darren is printing a little cradle over on the 3D printer. So we'll see how it all looks in the end. Today I'm doing tiny tots with Reborn Huggles, and this is a tiny tot. Again, this is the Zuru ball, blind ball baby. I keep trying to readjust it. That's not it, it's the pattern. Okay, but who is he supposed to be? Pugsley.
I was going to say, baby Pugsley.
This is too wide here too. But anyway, for my first go, we'll see what I come up with next week. Okay, so here's our little Pugsley boy, and I found this little piece of fabric. I thought it's a little big though. I like receiving blankets to be really snug. When I had my sons, I used to snuggle them up in them. They were October, November, and December babies, so, and then you wrap them in another blanket. But I thought this would be cute for Pugsley boy. And then Darren made this cute little cradle. Is that adorable? I had seen that on Thingiverse. The problem is too small. So he redid it. Oh, isn't that the cutest? I just love it, and it's the color I want. And in he goes. So here he is laying in his crib. I wanted to show you the back. Do you know do you know how I closed it? Like they did Morticia Adams' black iconic dress back in the 60s on the TV show. It's sewn. They used to sew her in each week, and when she had to use the bathroom, it was a big deal. I do love these little Zurus. I think I'm going to make some bedding and stuff. And then this one, I have this little girl, and she's smaller than the, let me pull this off real quick, show you the difference. She's smaller. She was an AliExpress. She's also silicone. And look at this. She fits in the little one. So I got to make some bedding and some clothes for her. And I made this little outfit for this little girl. The little snap on it. Thought that was so cute. I am having fun with these babies now. And I'm working on, let me see if I can remember how I did this. Okay, this is a little diaper I made. And I still have to add the snap. But here's the big deal. I have my wrist thing off. I've been wearing it when I go out and only at bed, or when I'm sleeping. And I was able to crochet. That's the big news. And look, how cute is that? I'm so excited about my little Zuru. And yeah, I'll be buying more. And yes, I will probably be participating in more Tiny Tots. I do want to mention that Darren and I are live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. And we ask for your photos to send them prior to, like day before, or days before. And this week's theme is Addams Family, Enid, or Addams Family. So that's why I did the little Pugsley. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Turned out really cute.
Thank you. They sure are fun.